Hey there mga may loves, Capricorn! Thank you so much for always staying here with me in the channel, babe. So our content for today is we're gonna take a look at itong energy na to, no? So dinami-dami ng plano niya rito. Ano ba yung pinakagagawin niya talaga? Yung as in gagawin niya talaga, no? Sa sitwasyon involving you. Guys, Capricorn, so yun nga, no, bago natin to simulan, let me just greet everybody. Hi and hello there, new subscribers. Ako po pala si Yan at welcome dito sa channel na ito, no. At yun nga, no, kung hindi nyo pa knows, no, at gusto nyo rin tumambay sa other channel, ang link po ay down below. Hi din sa mga paulit-ulit at pabalik-balik ko rito mga viewers. Thank you sa inyong walang sawang pagtambay at pagsuporta. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. And yun nga mga babes, no, wala tayong gender here, bae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers, you can click those if you want. And of course, at the end of the day, you always have your free will. So, ano pang hinihintay ninyo, no? Atin ang alamin, let's get this started. Ayan. This is for Capricorn. Tell me something about this person here for me, Capricorn. Archangel Michael, thank you so much for being present here in this reading, together with the angels and guides. Capricorn. Ano po yung plano nitong person na to dealing kay Capricorn? Yung pinakagagawin niyang movement regarding Capricorn. Capricorn. Tell me something about this person for me, Capricorn people. Capricorn. Capricorn. Okay, so let's go ahead and check these messages here for my Capricorn people out there. Let's make latag first. We have here this Emperor energy. Tower. Ooh, major arcanas. Two of Cups. Wow. Moon card, 3 major arcanas here. 8 of Swords. Knight of Swords. 8 of Wands. Magician energy is wow. Ano pa nga ba? Someone here loves you. Capricorn. It's like I'm hearing this person here that he or she wants to hold you tight and never let you go forever. Yan. So whatever the case may be, nakikita ko rito that this is something here na nagpapatibok at nagpapaligaya talaga. Hindi lang sa puso mo, kundi ikaw. Nag-glow up ka, dagdag sa glow up mo itong person na to, no? And this person here is nakikita ko rito na posible at malaki ang potensyal na posibleng kayo na or may relasyon na kayo, boyfriend, girlfriend, no? Kung hindi pa man kayo may relasyon, gumaganda yung relasyon ninyo, papunta na kayo doon, no? So, this person here is preparing for something, no? At yun nga ay ang communication, no? Itatanong niya na sa'yo rito ang pinakagusto niya ritong bagay na malaman with the moon card energy right here. Wala na paligoy-ligoy, Fire of Wands energy, Magician, and there's this Ace of Cups. This person here is giving me the vibe that he or she has strong feelings for you. Like kanya, mahal kanya Capricorn, you're dealing with this person here, I think you like also and you love this person back as well. So nakita ko rito na kung sino man ito, gumaganda ang takbo ng storya ninyo at nakikita ko rito na kung kayo man ay one, first scenario, kung hindi pa kayo nito, no, pero ang ganda na ng inyong energy, meron kayo rito on the same page kayong dalawa, you're looking at each other eye to eye, there's reciprocity, you're giving an equal give and take, no? So, nakita ko rito that you are someone here na parehas ninyo gusto nyo pang mas makilala pa more ang isa't isa at mas mag-dive pa more sa connection na ito. So, definitely this person here is preparing to ask you this important na bagay or pinaka-importanteng gusto niyang malaman kung pwede na ba niya kayong maging girlfriend or boyfriend officially. So, prepare for some kind of that na nakaka-stun or nakakagulat na tanong na ipa-pop out nitong person na 'to sa inyo because I'm seeing you right here, Eight of Swords energy and Knight of Swords with this very strong na confession. Okay? Parang, I want you to be my woman or I want you to be my man. Yan, no? So, what will be the answer, di ba? And whatever answer is this, it will always lead up to this. Two of Cups energy. Okay, wala tayong gender here. LGBTQ, of course, mga mahal, you're welcome here as well. Just take how this resonates. So, nakikita ko na magugulat ka rito, no? Dahil finally, iniintay mo rin naman na itanong niya sa'yo rito, no? Kung pwede na bang maging kayo officially. Yan. Second scenario or scenario number 2. 2. 2. So, nakikita ko rito mga babes na kung kayo ay kayo na, kung kayo naman ay mag-boyfriend at girlfriend na, this person is preparing for some kind of surprise! Pero yun nga na hindi na 'to surprise dahil ikakanta ko na. So, nakikita ko rito na posibleng ito ay may kinalaman sa ewan ko kung may kakasabatin ditong restaurant, basta may pagkain. So, nakikita ko rito na andito yung pamilya mo 'no, at yung restaurant or may pagkain rito 'no, maaaring yun ay proposal na involve ang family mo or kasabwat yung family mo. It's a marriage proposal. You will soon get engaged with this person here, Capricorn. And I'm seeing that this person here, no, may nakuha ko dito energy na posibleng kakabalik lang nito dito or kakarating lang niya. May ganun na energy to some of you, but take only what resonates, okay? Pwedeng galing siya sa bakasyon o galing siya sa ibang bansa, mga ganun ba? So, nakita ko rito na meron ditong paparating pero yun yung una niyang inasikaso, no? Yung proposal niya sa'yo. Yan, no? Ready to settle down here with you at may respeto sa parents mo at pamilya mo, no? At nakikita ko rito na go ahead, no? Share your life with this person here. Kasi nakikita ko na talagang iingatan at aalagaan, mamahalin ka niya. Oh, you will so uh, gonna be happy, no? Nararamdaman mo yung sobrang magiging emotional ka, no, after this event, no, or the proposal itself, na magiging emotional ka. This person here could be older than you by age. I don't know, that's very strong. So, maaaring meron ditong nanonood na may age gap kayong dalawa at posibleng mas matanda siya sa'yo. Wala tayong gender dito at wala rin tayong age. So, just take how this resonates. Yung iba doesn't have to be na may age gap kayo, okay? Sinabi ko lang yun kasi yung nahagip ko rito, may energy kasi rito na sobrang lakas ng energy na posibleng may age gap sila. Yan. And I think it's almost 10 years yung age gap nun. Yan, no? Maaaring may isang viewer dito na ganun yung situation nila, no? Pero wala sa itsura, no? Parang magkaedad lang sila, no? Parang gusto mong itanong rin sa kanya, no? Saan po natagpuan yung Fountain of Youth? Wala sa itsura talaga. Eh, batang-bata yung itsura niya. Yan, no? Maybe someone here is watching na ganun yung kakonect ninyo. Yan. So, prepare for that type of proposal right here. So, wow! I love that, no? Capricorn. And also, nakita ko rin dito mga babes, no? This is someone here that you prayed for. Dumating siya sa buhay ninyo, no? Na ito yung bagay na talagang pinakahihiling ninyo. Yung ganitong klaseng tao sana. Yung nagtataglay sana ng ganitong pambihirang mga kakayanan. Ito po yung gusto ko. Yan. So, I think this is an answered prayer here. Isang sagot, no, mula sa kalangitan ang ibinigay sa inyo. Scenario number 3 naman tayo for my singles out there na of course, damay rin kayo rito. So, nakikita ko na meron kayo rito makakonect na paparating pa lang and you might meet this person here sa mga social media applications ko kayo nakikita magsisimula magkakilala. Doesn't have to be na dating apps ha. pero posibleng, sa mga social media mo siya makilala. So, nakikita ko 'to na parang simpleng follow-follow lang 'no, hanggang sa nakikita ko na mapapansin ka niya. And I'm seeing right here a message. So, dun na magsisimula yun. So, yung message na yun, posible na, kunyari, naka-follow ka lang, puro ka heart, no? Mapapansin niya yun for some reason. Why? Because your energy is too strong. Okay? So, nakikita ko dito, Capricorn, na you will attract that person here, and that talk will be the small spark para magsimula ang flame. So, that person here is meant for you, kaya kaya rin niya mapapansin. Yan. So, nakikita ko rito na posibleng magiging, follower kayo ng isang person or baka maging fanatic niya kayo. Yan 'no, doesn't have to be na siya ay, famous or what 'no, maaaring panay ka lang like 'no sa mga shine-share niya or panay ka lang heart 'no at papansin niya ito 'no, and this person will send you a message right here. Doesn't have to be a direct message of hi or hello, maaari kasing yung iba posibleng sendan lang kayo rito 'no ng mga parang mga quotes 'no or what 'no, pero I think dun na magsisimula yun or sticker, yan. May nakikita tayong ganyan, yung mga umpisa pa lang na parang medyo mahinahon pang lahat. Okay, yun yung nakikita ko rito. So, diyan na magsa-start yun. Someone will definitely send, a message 'no, because someone here keeps on liking. Puwede magkapalit-palit dito yung mga roles 'no, yun ang nakikita ko dito. So, this is something here na parang, magugulat ka kasi nakikita mo yung sarili mo na, "Teka lang, ba't panay heart ako rito, panay like ako rito sa mga post niya na 'to, ano ba meron dito?" Ayan 'no, or sa mga photos niya 'no, panay heart ka 'no, hindi mo alam, attracted ka na pala sa kanya and then nagkaroon ka na unti-unti ng interest dun sa tao na yun. 'Yan. So, kung sino man yung nakikita ko kayong mag-uusap dito, Capricorn, yes. Is strong Aries energy, maaaring meron siyang strong Aries sa kanyang natal or birth chart but doesn't have to be. Pero posibleng nagli-lead siya ng something, you know? Hindi ko naman nakikitang nagli-lead siya ng kulto. Pero maaaring siya ay leader, puwedeng nung nag-aaral pa siya lagi siyang nagiging leader ng grupo or puwede rin naman na siya ay nasa supervisorial or managerial position ngayon kung working sa company or baka siya yung owner ng isang business. So, just take what resonates 'no. Someone here is definitely magaling siya ritong mag-handle or mag-manage 'no, lalo na kung ito ay, mga empleyado na maaaring talagang siya ay managerial position, 'yan. Someone who handles here a situation na medyo, what's this one, complicated pero hina-handle niya ng very calmly lang or kalmado lang, yun yung nakikita ko rito. So, this person here is giving me the vibe that this person is very professional pagdating sa larangan ng work, career, or negosyo. Okay? So, I do see na wala magiging problema sa connection ninyong dalawa dahil may pagkakaintindihan kayo. Like-minded kayo eh. Parehas kayo mag-isip nitong person na to no, and you feel each other's cup. Yung natatapon, nagiging overflow yung love niya for each other, nasasalo lang din ng isa. So, yun yung nakikita ko rito. Ganun yung nakikita ko rito. And this is something here that might scare you away at first. Because this is you. Bakit ako ganito? Bakit parang feeling ko ang bilis naman, magustuhan ko siya. Teka lang, wala pa ngang 2 weeks 'to, parang gusto ko na siya, ayun 'no. Maaaring matakot ka or siya 'to na matakot na gano'n, na ba't gano'n kabilis 'no. Why? Because this is your person. This person is supposed to be in your life. Kaya gano'n. Don't be scared to dive into this type of connection because this is your person, your woman, your man. Someone that will not let go of you forever. Okay, so yung nakita ko dito. Others of you could be meeting this person here while you're traveling or nasa travel kayo. Yan. Definitely, this is someone here na matagal mo nang hinintay sa buhay mo. And finally, this person is coming with the different phases of the moon. Waiting is finally over. I'm seeing you right here, no? Na ikaw ay dating isa, magiging dalawa na kayo ngayon, no? At kung kayo ay in relationship or kayo na, nakikita ko ngayon na ikakasal kayo rito no? At magsasama kayong dalawa. Someone here is literally in love or will fall in love sa inyo ng sobra-sobra Capricorn. Yan, no? So, take how this resonates here with you guys. And maraming salamat sa oras mo. And sarang heyo, love and light. Annyeong.